friends, subscribers, internet strangers. What's up? Welcome to the Bearded Pickers channel. Guess what? Hey, let's go to Atlanta. I said to myself last night. And that thought kept rolling around in my head during the show. I'm like, what am I going to do today? Let's go to Atlanta. Well, it's been an adventure already today. I seem to have all the good luck. So I pulled in first Walgreens over here in Gunnersville, Alabama. I'm going from Huntsville to Gunnersville and then on to Anniston and on Interstate 20 into Atlanta that way. And normally I go through the top, through Chattanooga and down, but I'm going to throw a little voodoo into this one. Go somewhere a different way. Well, the voodoo's already coming back to get me, as I'm coming back from the first Walgreens. I found a cool toy, and it's gonna make decent money. I'm like, man, what in the hell is that stuck to the tire? It's a screw. So I just lost 45 minutes to an hour on this trip. The Walmart here. There was two in the bay, and I was next. And it was 45 minutes. They pulled one of them out. I thought, man, it'll be done in just a minute. I'm sitting in their little waiting room after I've looked around and didn't really find much in that Walmart. I'm watching videos. I'm carrying. I'm like, 4 videos later, I'm like, I hear them blow a horn. So there's only 2 cars out there, so it had to be mine, because I look up, I can see the other one, the big truck. So there's that. Just kind of stir crazy after being gone so long, and then now I'm back home, and I don't know, I was kind of falling into a rut, so I'm like, I know how to change this up. Road trip. I'm only going for a day. I'll spend a night in Atlanta somewhere, and then hit the rest of the Walgreens and come back. So just want to say good morning after the show. Okay, this will be good afternoon. Red light. And I will be is there anything? I'm assuming most of y'all been to Atlanta, but alright, we'll get some. Atlanta downtown is pretty cool, so I'll get you some scenes of big Atlanta coming down the interstate. What else are we gonna do today? I have not had cookout in a while, so I'll probably eat lunch at cookout or dinner, one or the other. It's already 12:44, and I lose an hour going that way thanks to my late start and my tire. It's a good thing I threw a suitcase in the back, because I'll barely get to Atlanta before everything. I should be there. I'm probably 2 hours 20 minutes from there now. Only problem is I've got about 13 stops between here and there. So it'll be 4 o'clock for 5 o'clock before I get there. So I really do need all day tomorrow. So my plans are to get over there and get as much as I can done of this side of Atlanta, and then start going around the bottom, and then probably stay on the eastern side of Atlanta, and then go to the eastern and top, and then come back through Rome, Georgia, because you can roam if you want to. Oh, that was a bad joke. Sorry about that. Therefore, I digress. But I just wanted to say hello, what's up? I'll get you a video tonight in the hotel room. I will process the 3 videos, so by the time you see this one, I will have put the last 3 videos up from the big California road trip, as I'm working on another one now. So this is cool. I've got a Walgreens in a mile, so anything interesting shows up. The last one I've already bought another one in Doom Wings. That one, there was one other 2, I forget what the other one was, but I had mentioned him in I don't know, a show or 2 ago. There's a little, someone's come in at a little lower price, and then all the FBAs are currently sitting at $49. So I sent him in like yesterday. I think 49 is too much. 49 you're asking for returns, you're asking for people to complain. I think I put him at $34.95. So and that's generally about as high as I go on an item like that, just because that's a tip for Amazon. You get too expensive on an item that was regularly $10. You know, you sell it 5 times as much, your chances of them complaining and carrying on and sending it back and calling it falsely used or whatever go way up, just because people get pissed off that they when it gets there and they go, damn, even though they knew what they were ordering, you know, is it truly worth $50? I don't think so. So I was of the belief a little while back, if you'd asked me, I'm like, man, send it in for whatever they'll pay for it. You know, there's a sucker born every minute. But you know, sometimes you create your own problem. So I'm trying not to create a problem here, so I'm trying to be nice. So yeah, let's run into Walgreens, see what they got. I'm out in the countryside of Alabama. Just came through the turn off to Jacksonville, Alabama. That was one of the harder hit places with the tornadoes a few weeks ago. You can see trees down where the tornado came across right here. I don't know if you guys can see all the trees, but this area got hit with back-to-back tornadoes. We were in LA. It was I believe it was a Monday night. I'm not 100% sure what night it was. Yeah, it was a Monday night. But there's just trees all over down in that little area right there where we came across. Jacksonville State University got just leveled. That is 12 miles to the east of here. The little turnoff was back there where you see the hurricane came through. It just kept going right. Hurricane, Lord have mercy. The tornado kept going straight through to Jacksonville. So not a good thing. But this is the countryside of Alabama. It's a nice cloudy day. Looks just like winter out here. You guys taking advantage of this? At least checking it out. This store here is Winn-Dixie. Everything up to 40%. Okay, good morning, day 2. So, getting a good view of Atlanta turned out to be more difficult than it was on the road when I was out west, because those of you who aren't from this area, from the south, really this side of the Mississippi River, we have these things. I really didn't see any out west. Called trees. Yeah, they get in the way. I realize y'all have sequoias and I didn't make it to Sequoia land. But if you stop at the California border and go all the way to somewhere in Texas, trees or shrubs. Anyway, metered exits. Really? I just need to be up here 2 miles. Come on. A successful day. Made a lot of stops. Actually finished a video the last day in LA last night at the hotel, and went to upload it. Sucker crapped out twice. I'm like, how about we just wait till I get home to upload it? That'd be great. So by the time you've seen this, you've already thoroughly enjoyed the content. It's early in the morning and I'm still drinking. This episode is brought to you by Caramel Macchiato. Not really. great day yesterday. Went to a lot of stores, found a lot of junk. That's the nature of the beast if you want to keep Amazon sales up. I had not, until yesterday, dropping those packages off, or day before yesterday, I had not seen anything in almost 3 weeks, and my sales were pathetic, and they showed that, dang, I gotta get out of this lane. Alright. Because the next exit ends, or it's an exit only for 2 lanes. The worst traffic in Atlanta, I've now realized, is normal in LA. I used to complain about Atlanta traffic, but man, Atlanta traffic's a piece of cake. No issues with Atlanta traffic when I've dealt with LA traffic. I have mad respect for you guys who live in that world and deal with that every single day. I'm a wide open spaces kind of guy. I don't want to be around all these folks because it's too peoply. There you go, peoply. So I'm gonna continue on today. I have 41 stops on the map. Oh my God, Bearded Picker, how can you do 41? It's 9:34 a.m. and I've already been. Oh God Almighty! Whatever electrical installer or HVA. Big piece of aluminum had come off the truck, and when you're on the interstate and you're surrounded by folks and it's coming at you, that's a bad feeling when there's nothing you can do about it. Hopefully I didn't puncture a tire, since how I wasted an hour yesterday getting one patched. That would be like karma coming back going, so you saw my nail I threw in your screw I threw in your tire. Well, let's see what happens if I throw this at you, sucker. Anyway, I've already been at 9 this morning. Drugstores just don't take that long. I'm doing mainly Walgreens, and there's a couple of local drugstores here I've been going through. They just don't take that long. In and out, and 6 to 7 minutes max. I was at the first one at 8 a.m. when they opened, so that helps too. That if you have a plan and a route, really, buddy. If you have a plan and a route ahead of time, so that you can be at one as soon as they open to start the day. And I will go to these stores until 10 p.m. Eastern when they close, and then I'll probably hit Walmart's on the way home because I'll have 3 hours and I'll pass like 6 Walmarts, so I'll probably hit them too, just for kicks and giggles. What else have I got to do? Once it's 10 o'clock at night, you got anywhere else to be? What's another couple hours? Right. So there's that. Having a great time here in Atlanta. I'm north of Atlanta right now. Where I'm at, I don't know. This is a common theme wherever I'm at. Wherever the GPS tells me to go. I'm at the mercy of the lady in the iPad. It's a good thing she's trustworthy. Alpharetta, Smyrna, somewhere north of Georgia. North of Atlanta is where I'm functioning. Everything today is north of Atlanta, and then I will head out back to Alabama through Rome, Fort Payne, home of the group Alabama country group. I know most of you guys aren't old enough to remember the country group Alabama. I know it's a shame. And then across Scottsboro into the house. I'll get you the thing of Atlanta as soon as I get far enough away where I can get a picture of it. All right. Okay, so I stopped to get some drinks here at Publix on somewhere near Trowbridge Road in Atlanta. I don't know what I'm on Roswell Road and Trowbridge Road, and the person in front of me had a problem with overcharge, and so the lady said, "Can I go to the customer service desk?" She was going to go check the price or have somebody help her check the price. No problem. They're not busy. It's 10:30 in the grocery store. There's an employee in front of me, and Bearded Picker, why the hell are you telling us this story? Wait. Young lady, I walk up and the manager's asking her, he's checking her out because he's running the little cigarette desk in customer service. He's the general manager. And he asked her, he said, "Did you do this, this, and this?" And young lady, she has Down syndrome. She's an employee. Kudos to Publix for you know, giving a young lady a chance. And she said, yes, sir, I did this, this, and this. And he looked right at her and said, you are so awesome. I can always depend on you to do everything you're supposed to do. She, enjoy your break. The smile, you cannot wipe the smile off her face. It is not that hard to be nice to people, treat employees nice. You see all this bad stuff in the media, you know, that world's coming to an end, but there are, I tell you over and over, there are good people out here. It just really made my morning to see, you know, somebody who's obviously in charge take, you know, it doesn't take any more effort to be kind and be nice to an employee. And what's he going to get out of her? The same continued hard work, because, you know, he is kind, and it's easy to do nice things for nice people. So kudos to that manager. That's the way you should treat everybody. You know, no matter whether they have Down syndrome or if you're a regular employee or any situation in life, treat employees, treat others with great kindness, and will be rewarded. So turn right at the X sign. Turn right. Just awesome to see that happen. And, you know, of course, you know, how did he treat me when I was there? Same way. Good morning, buddy. How are you doing? That's all you got this morning? Awesome. Hope you have a great day. I mean, this guy he's a first class human being. So I should look up my receipt and call them. But I'm terrible about calling, because they only hear bad stuff, and they never hear good stuff. What a great guy. How do you know you're in the South? You pull up in a little town named Center, C-E-N-T-R-E. Now they're trying to be fancy, and then underneath the sign it says the crappy capital of the world. I am in Center, Alabama, the crappy capital of the world. Well, at least figure out something. It looks pretty crappy. Look, there's one thing you never thought you'd see in a grocery store: somebody running a train track. I guess the rednecks don't run the train at night. Bruce's Food Land, Scottsboro, Alabama.